Hey guys, alright, we're back with another video. Of course, this time it's with the WRX. So we got another part for the WRX. MBR Motorsports sent over their hood scoop. I think it's the V1. So yeah, it's gonna definitely look good. We got it in black so it can give it some contrast and hopefully match the roof, and we'll see. I don't know, I might just leave it black just so it can like break up this little area right here a little bit. And yeah, so definitely gotta make a little change. So I might wrap it, who knows, I'll decide to see if I want to wrap it later down the road. But for now, I'm just gonna throw it on and see how it looks and rock it like that for a while. But yeah, anyways, yeah, but the car is holding up good. The wrap, I mean, I think the mirrors are the only things that are problem. I might do the mirrors again, but this time in two pieces, one back side and one the front side and stuff, just so it doesn't have to like stretch over and pull over, because that's where it's failing right now. It's where we pull from. So yeah, everything else looks good, still looks good. Again, this is not the best wrap out there. It's just Avery. It's not like Inocitec where it's super reflective, mirror-like, kind of like paint. But I don't know. Like I said in my other video, I definitely want to pick up a different type of wrap. I might go back to Paradox and get their pet wrap, or Vinyl Frog. We'll see. I haven't decided. I want to get an Inocitec because everybody's all raving about it all the time, but they don't sell to us, so the only way to get it is going through a wrapping company. But yeah, they might charge more, who knows. But anyways, yeah, enough talking. Let's just go ahead and this one's pretty easy. You just pop the hood, get all the stuff down there, all the pop clips. I think it has like 3 8mm screws. You take them off, pop this sucker off, and then we'll put on the new one. I think it's a full-on replacement. You just gotta transfer over probably the tabs. I'm not too sure. We'll look at it once we open the box. But yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and just open this up and pop the hood and get this started. Boom. Done. All right, there's the old scoop. Let's check out this new one. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this new one. All right, well, here's the new one. Comes with a bunch of washers, 9 washers and 9 bolts. Go ahead and open her up. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna match the freaking roof. Sheesh! It is a lot more aggressive than I thought it was gonna look. Yeah, this is definitely gonna match the paint, the roof. I thought it was gonna be more like glittery, I would say, like more sparkly, pearl, like a pearl black, but hell no, this is clean. Damn! Sheesh! Alright, now that you guys seen it, let's go ahead and put it on the car. This is, again, I think this is their V1. I'll double check it, but I'm pretty sure it's their V1 or V2. This is definitely way more aggressive than the stock ones. Let me show you the stock ones. Yeah, look at that. That's a way bigger hole. Sheesh. And it looks so much aggressive compared to this flat one. But yeah, let's go ahead and put that sucker on. That thing looks nice. Not gonna go anywhere for now. All right, now that I got those back on, let's go ahead and put all the pop clips back on. 3 on this side, 2 inside. All right, guys. Well, there it is. It fit perfect with the shrouding here, and then we just close the hood so you can see how clean it looks. it is, guys. Hood scoop is on. And that looks freaking sick. Sheesh. It is raining out here. Damn. It's raining while the sun is out. Look at that. Ceramic coating doing its thing. But yeah, there it is, guys. It looks freaking aggressive compared to stock. I think I'm pretty happy that I went with the black, that we got a black one, because it does match the hood, the roof I mean, and the little fin and the little spoiler back there. Now I just need to get a gloss black lip kit, gloss black scoop. I'm not gonna go too crazy on the carbon fiber on this car. We might just do the mirrors carbon fiber, anything that I think we can get in carbon fiber, but I do want to get all this in gloss black. I want to get those fog light bezels gloss black. I want to get the grill gloss black, the front lip gloss black, and I think I want to get these painted gloss black. I don't know, we'll see. Overall, damn, that is a sick hood scoop, man. Perfect fit, man, guys. Sheesh. Yep. Well, that's pretty much it for this install, guys. I'm gonna end it here. Go see and get some B-roll on this, and then yeah. Overall, looks clean. Sheesh. Definitely gonna let more air go in since it's a bigger scoop compared to the stock little tiny little. Probably like a 1-inch freaking air, letting air in, but this is definitely gonna be better. And yeah, so yeah. So again, go ahead and pick this up at MBR Motorsports, and that's where I got the grill. And they sell these. A lot of people ask me where I get these fog light bezels, but they also have those fog light bezels. I got them from eBay, but now they have them. So go get yourself some of those. So yeah, the grill and the fog light bezels I got from MBR Motorsport. And pretty sick fit, man. Everything's been really well. Definitely gonna look into their lips. Maybe they have some lips, I don't know. I'll check out their lips and get some. But yeah, overall, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this little install. Yeah, definitely looks good with the blue now, gloss black. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. On the now, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.